Okay, here we are today having a look at the Graflex 2.0. This was one that came out from Corbin probably last year, early last year, and I've converted this one. It's never been used, but it was had an install basically that was going to be a Crystal Focus 8, and I've decided to change that to the TeensySaber, and that's what I've done now. That's installed. On this one we've got the glow-through glass eye. I've got replica screws in here, the replica part here from on the slide switch, non-working, but it's just a replica screw that goes in. I've got the red button, accurate in terms of a replica of that. Screw in here is another replica screw from a vintage Graflex. Clamp card in here. Under this one I've got one push button, so, another one here as well. Obviously they're just hooked into the auxiliary switch function for the Saber, and on-off function is at the front. The internal chassis inside here is a Goth 3D Designs night chassis. You can feel the screws on the threading on here is excellent, really smooth. They were cleaned up to make sure there was no jamming issues, and then you can undo that. You can see the crystal chamber. It's all printed in, I think it's raw brass and bronze in here, and raw brass here, and the kill key at the back, and obviously modified slightly to allow access in the back here for the USB, and then the SD card underneath the USB port. Got some accent LEDs around the back here, and what else is there to see? Oh, the blade plug inside, that's got Neopixels installed. The blade retention screw is this one here, so obviously just backing that one off will allow the blade plug to drop out. We're using the custom Saber Shop solution with the pogo pins inside. So you'll look down in here, just see the pins in there. So yeah, so that just drops in fairly easily, and then just pushes up against those pins. Doesn't even have to have much pressure. Tighten those screws up and we're away. Turn the kill key at the back here.
That lightsaber was Luke's and his father's before him, and now it calls to you.
So what I've done is I've got the pulsing LED, the accent LEDs at the back, and then obviously they match, which I've done on my other sabers, they match the blade colour. So activating the saber comes on. This is a SmoothSwing font, not SmoothSwing 2. Again, hitting that clamp card gets your blast effects. Press and hold and release, lock up. So the accent LEDs change, and then at the front here you see the glow through in the glass eye. It's turning off. There we go. Different fonts installed.
That lightsaber was Luke's.
Another one with the
and his
smooth
father's
swing.
before him, and now smooth grey.
The smooth grey with a red blade.
The Force Awakened. Graflex.
There's quite a few Graflex fonts, a couple of different colours. This is the cyan blade. Magenta lockup. Some of the different fonts I've put on.
Vengeance. Velocity. Skywalker. ROTJ. 44. The overhauling line.
battery monitor. Green, fully charged battery.
Smooth Jedi.
Back to the first font, Smooth Jedi. And then just to show you a blade going in. Obviously again, just drop out that. This is the blade here with the connector on the back. That'll just go in, push down gently, like that blade retention screw. And there you go. A bit crammed for room, but you can sort of get an idea. Let's hold that down. Up. Turning it off. I'll just move that around a bit. We'll see if we can get a better shot of that on the table.
That lightsaber was Luke's. Just before him, and now Smooth Gray.
Red blade.
The Force Awakens.
The Graflex font.
Graflex TFA HD. The Graflex Awakens by Noah Star and Scott Creevy.
Colour cycle starting blade. Another one.
Vengeance.
This orange blade. Flicker. Gentle blade.
Skywalker. ROTJ.
Let's do green. The flicker. And the green. Cyan blade. It's the blue fire blade. Calibrate font.
The dark.
Fire blade. Back to our battery monitor.
Smooth Jedi.
Back to the beginning, which is another SmoothSwing font. So if we put the back, let's put the pommel back on. On the back, when I'm doing this, what I usually do is just wind it all the way up, then just back off to get that lined up.